Hello everyone. Welcome to Pet Stories, where we share the most interesting stories about pets. Today, let's explore one of the most remarkable animals in history, cats. From sacred deities in ancient cultures to beloved companions in modern households. The journey of cats spans thousands of years filled with mystery and fascination. About 4,000 years ago, cats were considered sacred creatures in ancient Egypt. They were regarded as the embodiment of Bastet, the goddess of home protection and family. In Egyptian households, keeping cats was not only for keeping mice at bay but also symbolized luck and prosperity. Did you know that if someone accidentally killed a cat in ancient Egypt, they could be sentenced to death? Cats were revered to the point where, if they passed away, the entire family would mourn. And cats were even mummified to be buried alongside their owners. Not only in Egypt, but cats also played an important role in many other civilizations. In ancient Greece, cats were seen as companions of philosophers and aristocrats. In China and Japan, cats are regarded as symbols of luck, especially the familiar image of the Maneki Neko cat waving its paw in greeting. During Japan's Edo period, cats were kept to protect sacred scrolls in temples from being destroyed by mice. Cats appeared early in poetry and woodblock prints, reflecting people's fondness for them. During the Middle Ages in Europe, the image of cats was not as favorable. They were often associated with witches and mystical rituals. Many believed that cats were companions of demons, leading to instances where cats were burned during exorcism rituals. Black cats, in particular, were often considered omens of bad luck. However, in places like Scotland and Ireland, cats were seen as sacred and believed to offer spiritual protection to households. During the Renaissance, perceptions of cats began to change. Thanks to literary works and art, cats were portrayed as elegant and intelligent companions. People gradually recognized that cats not only helped control mice but also brought comfort to families. One notable Renaissance artwork featuring a cat is the famous painting The Last Supper by Domenico Ghirlandaio, where a small cat is seen peeking near the banquet table. From the late 19th century to the present, cats have become popular pets in households worldwide. They have appeared in movies, comics, and viral social media clips garnering millions of views. In addition to traditional cat breeds, many new breeds have been developed, such as the British Shorthair, the Scottish Fold with its adorable folded ears, and the famous Grumpy cat with its signature grumpy expression, earning millions of dollars from its own brand. Today, cats are not just pets but have also become pop culture icons with significant influence. The story of cats is a colorful tapestry of culture and history. From ancient times to the present, they have become loyal friends and stars in the hearts of cat lovers around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Pet Stories video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates.